So Kajabi or Circle? Which one of these online platforms is best for you and your community? If you are building a business online and you're focusing in on community, you're in the right place because I review both of these community tools and all the other features and the pricing plans, what these two platforms have to offer, so you can make an informed decision which one would be right for you and your online business. Now, full disclosure right off the bat, I am a Kajabi user. I have been using Kajabi for a number of years, and there is many reasons for that, which I'm going to go through in this video. And currently Kajabi is a right fit for me, but if I had a slightly different business model, which I'm going to explain in this video, then Circle might be a good fit for me. So watch all the way to the end and hopefully you'll be able to walk away with that informed decision, which one is right for you, Kajabi or Circle. So in order for me to make these comparisons, I'm going to dive straight on over into my desktop. So here we are in Circle, it's circle.so, or you could just Google Circle. And first impressions, it's a really nice layout, a really nice platform. The user experience is super clean. And yeah, I have a great user experience with this. So what sort of products do they offer? So you can click down on the products. So you've got, again, I've done quite a few of these website or software comparison tools, and this Circle platform is really focused in on the community. There's a lot of hype like right now about community. Online community is where it's at, and Circle has a really strong online community. So here you've got discussions, events, workflows, Circle Plus, you've got chat, payments, analytics, got some AI functions in there, but you've also got courses, customizations, and integrations. Some of the resources here, you can actually blog, you've got an event hub, you've got customer stories, and you've got obviously community knowledge base and customer success. So if it is community that you're trying to build, pay attention because Circle might be the one for you. Now, I'm just going to click over into pricing. Now, again, it all depends on the functionalities that you are looking for in your online business. But it's similar to most online platforms these days. They've got a few options. They've got a professional, a business, and an enterprise. But also they've got, what I really like about Circle is they've got a basic. So you can get started at $49 a month and just have a simple community. So community is their core product. You start with a community and then you can upgrade to all these other things like adding on courses, adding everything else in. But really drill down and have a look at some of these features, because you need to understand first of all, which platform is right for you, but then which pricing plan you should start at. And I was quite curious to see if Circle took any transactional fees, but it took me a little bit of digging. If I went back into the product and then into payments and then scrolled all the way down, and then there's some frequently asked questions here. What are the fees associated? So in the basic, there's a 4% transaction fee. Now, you must be aware of this. In the Pro, there's a 2%, Business 1%, and Enterprise even less, 0.5%. So if you were starting out on the basic, there's a 4% transaction fee from Circle. So something to be aware of. I like to look over to Trustpilot for all of these online reviews. And now it doesn't really appear to me that Circle is using this Trustpilot as an independent review body. There's only 2 reviews here, still classed as a 3.8, but I would probably ignore just 2 reviews. Moving on to the next platform then, Kajabi. Kajabi is very different from Circle. If it is community that you're all about, Kajabi have actually acquired Vibely as a bolt-on community. So they're trying to upgrade their community product. But Kajabi started as a courseware platform where you can actually run your online courses, and then it started to build all these other tools. So it does your email marketing, it takes 0% transaction fees for payments, it does memberships, podcasting, coaching products. You can host your website on there, you can blog. So it really is positioning itself as the all-in-one platform. It doesn't really focus in on community. It has community, but I'm going to be showing you a little bit about the Kajabi community, which will help you make your mind up. So going on to pricing then, Kajabi do sometimes have a Kickstarter plan, but there's nothing here that I can see. If you do see maybe a paid ad with a $69 Kickstarter plan, then that is something to jump on because it's not open all year round. Their basic starts at $149 a month, then $199, and then $399. But here, like I said, you've got 0% transaction fees, but you've only got 3 products. So Kajabi have 4 products, and you can use 3 of those products however you like. 3 funnels, but they do unlimited landing pages, unlimited marketing emails, because they are an online business first and foremost, an online business platform. You can have up to 10,000 contacts and 1,000 active customers, which is plenty good enough to get started with. And this is what I started with. Then I like to look at Trustpilot for Kajabi, and its excellent rating, 1,827 reviews at 4.4 stars. So what I'm going to do now is I've opened a Circle account just to have a look, see what it's like. I don't use Circle. Like I said at the start, I do use Kajabi, but I currently don't have an online community. I have courses and coaching products. So here, they are really focusing in on the community. This is a one-stop shop community platform introducing other courses and other services as well. So the layout is really, really nice. You can add different spaces in here, post events, courses, chat, members, images. You can add members in. You can make it front facing. Here's your homepage. There's so much you can do with Circle in terms of a community function. I just think that if community is for you, then Circle could be the one to start with. Now let's go over to Kajabi and compare. Now Kajabi do have a lot more, hence the price is a little bit higher, but you've got certain amount of products. So you've got courses, coaching, community, and podcasts. So they're not really focusing in on any one of those products. They're looking at we are the online business. You can create offers and coupons and affiliates to go with these products. Then this is my main website here. You can design website pages, landing pages. They do have a branded app, a branded mobile app that you can pay extra to have this app. And then you can do all your emails through the marketing. This is your contacts as well. So you can do CRM with this. They have a creator studio. They've got some really good analytics. And then you've got a store, which you can either hire people to do your work for you, or you can actually get some custom templates. So these are the products really that Kajabi focus in on. So you can build out courses, you can build out mini courses or flagship courses, depending on how big they are. You can actually host a podcast, you can host a free or a paid podcast, everything within Kajabi. The community function, again, I'm going to just go over into show you what the community function is like. But it's pretty new this year. I think last year they acquired Vibely, and they're just building on it more and more these days. And then coaching, you can do one-to-one or one-to-group coaching. So here we are in the actual layout of a community or a membership. But this is how Kajabi acquired Vibely, and they're just building out their functions all the time. So here you can have a feed, you can have posts or chats, you can put a challenge up to try and elicit engagement from people. You can have meetups, which are basically live rooms, and Kajabi host their live video streaming now. And then you've got something called circles, funnily enough. And this is where you can have Q&As, general Q&As, and you can actually host people, chat forums within your community. If you click on the little cog icon, you can edit all of these functions within your community. But I have done another complete video on the Kajabi community, which I will link up to this video if you're interested. So that's it, a very quick video on some of the functionalities of Circle, some of the functionalities of Kajabi. Circle is very much focused around community. Kajabi is very much focused around entire online business, and it has a community element. So if you are really focused in on community, well, Circle might be a better way for you to go. But if you're thinking about the wider online business piece, then Kajabi might be a good fit for you. And like I said at the start of this video, I've been using Kajabi for a number of years now. I'm a Kajabi partner. If you wanted to take Kajabi for a spin for an extended 30-day trial for free, that's over double the 14-day free trial, just head on over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, where I can get you that access for the extended 30-day free trial. If you do this, I'm going to automate you a free course, my Kajabi Unboxed mini course. This is what I would do if I unboxed another Kajabi account tomorrow, what I would do first, second, third, and fourth to set your Kajabi account up in the right way. And yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means is part of your payment, if you do continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi, will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. And if you do continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi and know it and love it like I do, then I'm going to say thank you by granting you a second course. Just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'm going to grant you my sales page templates. These are simply the templates that I use in my online business. And the cool thing is you can simply download these templates as a theme within my product and then upload them back into your Kajabi account. And it's going to save you a hell of a lot of time on creating your own sales pages for your online business. So hopefully that's given you the information now. You can make an informed decision. You can walk away from this video knowing which one you would prefer if you were to start your own online business, whether it be a community, whether it be the entire online business piece. And I look forward to seeing you again on another video soon.